Here's a certified 2018 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, Apple CarPlay, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and Ecotec 3 engine. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.